property 4, for the properties of the moduli we are having the modulus of product of two complex numbers is equal to the product of their moduli. Product of their moduli. We can say it, for example, it is now Z1 Z2 modulus of the product of two complex numbers, that is Z1 and Z2. This is equal to Z1 and Z2. Basically what we are having, if we are having two complex numbers and we are multiplying it and we are getting a new complex number, so product of that new, modulus of that new product complex number will be equal to individually if we finding the modulus of two complex numbers and then multiplying them, result will be same. Now proof. Let Z1 and Z2 be two complex numbers. Now we are already aware of that Z1, it was Z, that Z times conjugate of Z is the square of the modulus of Z. What this was? By property, this we have done in property number 2, that a complex number and its conjugate, when multiplying these two, we are getting result as their square of the modulus of the complex number. Now we are having Z1 Z2 its square of the two complex numbers. Now this part and just compare this one. So from this one we are getting this left hand side. So what we can write it? We can write it, here it is 2. We can write it Z1 Z2 and Z1 Z2's conjugate. Is it clear? From this part. Now this can be written as further Z1 Z2 individually conjugate of 2, one and the same thing. Now this becomes Z1 conjugate of Z1, Z2 conjugate of Z2. To this now Z1 Z2, if we are having this one, so what we can write it? Square Z2 square. Now Z1 Z2 modulus squares is equal to Z1 square Z2 square, or Z1 Z2 is equal to Z1's modulus of Z1 and Z2 proved. Or if you wish, just for the sake of practice, you just take Z1 and Z2 any examples for a two complex numbers, okay, and then prove this one.